representing the industry and the organization that actually made me what I am today, right in front of you. So like many of the students sitting right in front of us, so I just had my master's degree and back in '99. So you get to know how old I am. So I was picked as a raw student, and I was get into this organization we call KFC. And by the way, जब मेरी hiring है मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि what this KFC is all about, and I'm really grateful to the early mentor sitting right in front of us, Adnan Saab. He's the one who actually picked me. I was hired through Adnan Saab back in 1999-2000. It's been a long journey since then, and as Shahid told that I've been to different industries, but trust me, yes, I've been to telco for good 12-13 years. I've been to real estate for good 7-8 years. But I always introduce myself as I'm a KFC breed, and there's a reason behind that. Picking up fresh graduates and to train them and groom them and invest on them. As of now, we're speaking, not many organizations in Pakistan do that. So one part of KFC's success is, I think, its product. Yes, it is, but it's people as well. So we keep on investing on our people. And again, coming back to KFC after 20 years, that's the strength of the bondness I have with them and the strength of the system I have. I spent 4 or 5 years, I came back after 20 years in the same industry, in the same company, and I was like, I know most of the things, I know the system. So that's the beauty of the system. So as today I'm invited here to share with you the KFC things and how is it to be being original. This is what we claim and this is what we call. So I will refer to the presentation we have. Just yesterday we have opened our 144th branch in Pakistan. So I'm heading one of the segment that is called delivery services. So I have a portfolio of almost what we talk about 2 billion a month. This is the revenue we get through delivery services. What we're talking about is almost 1.8 million transactions a day, a month for delivery segment. By far, we are the market leaders, alhamdulillah. And the segment I am running actually is kind of a segment where most of the tech has been involved. So a lot of technological work and a lot of apps and aggregating. This is involved in my segment, which is I'm heading right now. So आपके घर पे जब भी KFC का ऑर्डर होता है तो उसके पीछे कोई ना कोई मेरे टीम मेंबर का कुछ ना कुछ एफर्ट्स चल रही होती है. So this is the topic we will be touching upon. Sources of competitive advantage in QSR industry. So I hope everybody is familiar about QSR. If not, so may I tell you that QSR is quick service restaurants. So when we started our career, the term we used to have is WQSR, Western Quick Service Restaurants. लेकिन चूँकि अब इतनी हमारी खुद की इंडस्ट्री इतनी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह से ग्रो कर गई है कि we just call it quick service restaurant industry. So before coming to the main topic, it's imperative to know about the industry itself. So what we are discussing right in front of you is an industry which has been growing since mid-90s. So Pizza Hut was the first entrant in 95, 96, followed by KFC, then McDonald's, and Pizza, then RDs, and so on and so forth. So this industry, as of now we speak, is around 35 to 40 billion a month revenue. This is the quantum of all those quick service restaurants we can easily put up in A category or B category. So, and the quantum of transaction is around 40 million a month. So this is the volume of that industry is carrying right now. Yes, as I told all of you that KFC is by far is market leader. Yes, we came a long way. We have been through highs and lows. we also face a lot of challenges, as I think Shaisa shared that earlier it was Artel Restaurant International, then कुछ यहाँ के dynamics नहीं वो manage कर पाए, so they sold it to Coca-Cola Group in 2002, and since then actually we are rather कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें भी हुई, कुछ बुरी चीज़ें भी, but we kept on moving the way that we have growth years, we have declining years, but nevertheless the team itself and the management itself remain committed. This is the main topic, that what is the competitive advantage we have, and जिसका हम फायदा उठा भी रहे हैं और जिसकी वजह से continuous we growing every year. So yes, ability to deliver greater value as compared to competition, and that actually when we talk about this QSR industry, it's about three components. It's about food, it's about experience, it's about value. The food, yes, the foremost thing whosoever is coming to any restaurant is kids. KFC is known for its unique blend and taste and freshness of the chicken we are selling for many years. Even we talk about in Pakistan, and we have in areas like Mandi Bahudin, we are in Multan, we just opened an outlet in Nowshera. So you can well imagine that the taste and the blend is, and third one is obviously, is it worth spending on, it's worth the value for the money. So in these three components, we call FEV. So FEV is the essence of this QSR industry. We have seen competition. We have major players, KFC, McDonald's, Subway, Arby's, Pizza Hut, and this Shaisa told that there is a lot of FC factors. So FC is starting from AFC to ZFCs. कुछ भी sustainable नहीं रहा. So why not? And then we have a perfect example, Burger King. I mean, probably in our QSR industry, in the global sense, actually Burger King is way ahead of McDonald's even. So somehow it's an unfortunate for the industry as well. Because देखें जब एक इंडस्ट्री आती है तो अपने साथ बहुत सारे लोगों का रोजगार भी लाती है और बहुत सारी एलाइड इंडस्ट्री भी चलती है. Because of wrong choice of people, maybe wrong choice of supply chains, wrong marketing strategies. So there's so many things that actually made it happen to that collapse. Why KFC? What are the sources that enable us to remain on? Our penetration across the globe, we are operating more than 30,000 restaurants globally. We are operating in remote areas like Mandi Bahudin, Nowshera, Multan, Ladkhana, Sakhari. And all of these stores I'm talking about actually are profitable. ऐसा नहीं है कि इतने बड़े चाक में हम शायद बाहर से स्टोर में पैसा डालें. All those stores are actually profitable and self-sufficient. Yes, it's been third generation. We actually connected a strong emotional connection with the customer. I remember back in 2000 and I was RGM at KFC Faisalabad और 2001 में McDonald's आया and ज़बरदस्त बॉन्डिंग थी हमारी अपनी कस्टमर से, फैसलाबाद के लोगों से कि और हमने उनको ऐसे कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस की आदत डाल दी थी कि whenever they go to McDonald's and they ask for any favors, they would say कि this is not the policy and whatsoever. And then they started calling it कि यार let's see how KFC is doing. And trust me, what happened actually in like next 6 months, 1 year, McDonald's had to shut down. I think आगे जो आपने iconic brand elements, yes, Colonel Sanders is a very famous personality. People know him. There are so many mascots and so those iconic elements are always recognizable. So and again why? Because if you go back and just recall what I've just told you, that there's a success story. There were few decisions we have to make. So in our market probably that spices, lemon, herbs and spices are actually a bit soft side, not that spicy. That is how we understood that. And again, coming back to authentic crispy chicken, you can see that if you go anywhere in Pakistan, you will have that same finger looking good chicken everywhere in Pakistan with the same standards, same procedures, and same processes. Chicken market, I think by far there is no competition with KFC as of now. So there are few local brands coming up, but again, not sustainable. We'll go through the reasons why they're not sustainable and how can they become sustainable. Tariq sir actually touched upon this thing. This is very, very important in all that the business case we have put up. Since we are big now, more than 140 stores, we are the highest chicken consumers, raw chicken consumers in Pakistan. And I think 4 and 5 operators all together, they at times they found it difficult to fulfill our requirement. हाँ, but अगर किसी को एयरिंग नहीं आता ना तो वो शायद थोड़ा पीछे रह जाए. So we have back-end systems. Those were very intelligent and they would tell us that what is the consumption pattern and how to manage those consumption patterns for next maybe 1 month, 15 days, whatsoever. It varies location to location actually. Then we have centralized commissaries as well, especially in South region. We have good franchises across the world, good business partners. It depends actually, but for now I think एक store 300 से 400 million की investment है, but again if you talk about returns, so returns are good as well. The expansion is something which is still not going on and on. They go and have research that what बहुत ज़्यादा help out करता है आपको. आपके पास अब decades and decades का data आपके पास seasons and at the right time as well. So अभी there are still lot more outlets in Pakistan, and we are going to touch another 5-6. And that I shared that deep penetration in emerging markets. Yes, visibility is very important. It's more towards marketing thing. So you've seen that. So it's such a powerful brand. Right. So think global, act local. And we've seen that over the time that rice यहाँ पे develop किए गए, and then more जो Arabian rice, what we developed back in early 2000, actually it became a global phenomenon. Has to move on and on and on. Promotional more towards social media, and that's in our next big thing is that all social media presence we are going to have. I think the normal branding is now switching towards more towards social media and all those channels. जिसमें what we've observed that आपके पास end-to-end visibility आ रही है, that how many views, how many checkpoints, and how many messages are you getting out of those. So, and over the time, that KFC also switched their normal marketing strategy to this digital thing. And if you talk about our recent marketing, more focused towards Gen Z, and our recent product development actually is again based on stock, and you can see their penetration is at least in Central and North they are doing good. For some time I had a consultancy with a local chain called Sweet Creams. They are operating over 120 outlets in Pakistan as of we speak today. So yes, what they're doing is actually they are developing their own systems. Base is ordering crispy chicken as of now. We be ordering crispy chicken base है, but उसके साथ कितनी products like there's a Zinger burger, there's Zinger, Mighty Zinger. We have classification spicy chicken strips. We have normal strips. We have developed so many sauces. So that innovation is actually always creating some sort of news in the market. So that actually, keep on engaging people. So whenever you come up with a product, people would come and they would taste that at least once. So this is again, we see in the local markets, they don't really invest in product. They just develop it and उसके बाद since they're not investing into the systems, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो फिर लैग करते हैं. कभी कुछ सप्लाई चेन में मसला रहता है, कभी कुछ आपकी जो सोर्सिंग फाइंड दैट कॉस्ट एडवांटेज. एंड बिकॉज जैसे जैसे आपका सिस्टम ग्रो करता है तो आपकी कॉस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ रुपीज वैल्यू भी बढ़ती है, बट इन परसेंटेज वो ऑलमोस्ट 19-20 होता है. बट जैसे ही वो लाख से 2 लाख और 2 लाख से सेट कल्चर सेट का जो है अलार्म रिंग हो रहते हैं कि भाई ये तो 2 लाख से 4 लाख कैसे हो गया. तो उस वक्त जैसे क्वांटम बढ़ता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ रुपीज वैल्यू, मॉनेटरी वैल्यू, सो वैसे वैसे सेट्स आपका जो स्पेंडिंग का है ना, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉस्ट रैशनलाइजेशन रीजनल हेड्स बने हुए हैं. रीजनल हेड्स तो बने हैं, बट एंड हमारा सिस्टम भी ऐसा ही है. वी हैव पीपल जो एज ग्रुप मेंबर एज पर आज वो रीजनल हेड्स भी एरिया कोचेस भी हैं, बट वी इन्वेस्टेड ऑन दोस पीपल. हमने उन लोगों को लंच में भी कोर्स करवाए हैं, हमने उनको बाहर भी भेजा है. बट इन लोकल ब्रांड्स वो जो ऑर्डर टेकर था वो आज रीजनल हेड तो बन गया है, बट उसका माइंडसेट आप लोगों को डेवलप करोगे, लोग आपके सिस्टम डेवलप करेंगे. सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिस इज one of the major thing that we lack in our local brands. They don't invest on people systems, right? Unlike जैसे मैंने example दी Burger King की, that was a major flop in Pakistan. On contrary, Hardee's, which is not, and thanks to all those audience, you've been very good. कोई आपका कुछ स्वाद हो तो I'm available. Sure.
Thank you very much, Asim sir.